My viewers and subscribers, it's been how long? Over a year ago, in a 2 year since Alicia Kim name been thrown to the wolf, thrown to the vipers. Also, Alicia Kim herself was thrown to the sharks. The sharks wasn't hungry that day. Months, weeks, days, Alicia Kim name was all over the internet just because Alicia Kim divorced a monster. Well, the monster divorced the money tree and then thought the money tree was going to have no money, homeless, sent back to Jamaica. But that didn't happen because Alicia Kim decided that I am a strong woman. But then you have one guy who stuck in a one truck was beating down Mackie, saying Mackie is a Mr. Take Back, saying Mackie is no good of a man. Mackie is a green lizard. Then all of a sudden, Alicia Kim announced that she get pregnant. And this truck man, shit in a truck, all hell break loose because he was trying to see if he could get Alicia Kim through DMs because he wanted to see if he could hit Alicia Kim in all the holes. However, this person switch over and start to beat Alicia Kim because Alicia Kim announced that she is pregnant, saying that Mackie is such a perfect man. Mackie is such a good man.
What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How you do? How you stay? All right. I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, I hope you now feel no pain. And if you don't feel any pain at all, remember what we do. Check the doctor. Call the doctor. Make the doctor come at your house if you have the money. If you don't, don't worry yourself. We go call even your great auntie-in-law if she's alive. Guys, today your birthday. Happy birthday to you. If you drink, don't drive. If you drive, don't drink. Go out, have a wonderful time. And if you don't have a taxi, remember what you do. Hold on. If you don't have a car, take a taxi, but take a picture of the license plate. Take a picture of the driver or the car. Send it to your friends and family. Wellness check, guys. Please, me, I beg you to do a wellness check. And guys, mental health crisis is not a joke. And guys, DV, domestic violence, is on a rise. Domestic violence is on a rise. We have lost a couple women in a couple days. High profile women, high profile relationship gone sour. Guys, if you see the red flag, say something, do something, run for your life. Don't sit down and believe you can change it, because guess what? You cannot change what you didn't put there. So run for your life. Leave everything and go. Money can make again. House can buy again. Car can buy again. Money cannot buy life. Remember that. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, one of my beautiful, lovely subscriber send me a video. And the video that was sent to me was a video of, I do understand the video. I go be honest with you. I do not understand the video. And the reason why I don't understand the video is this. Listen to this video. Please, I'm begging you. Listen to this. Listen to what this person said out of his mouth.
It is true that big old red to be because I got touch Auntie Jackie. You should have never touch Auntie Jackie because Auntie Jackie just come out here and just be by herself and do what she have to do. You know what I mean? And when me hear that woman talking about Auntie Jackie and I talk about she a prayer that Auntie Jackie daughter them find a man like boo for them for the man them treat people. What kind of pray them but bad prayer them they are pray upon people pitney. You ever hear Auntie Jackie come out here come mention for her daughter them yet?
Rumram said. Now, my question to you, Rumram, is this. Why would you say something like that out of your mouth when you are the defender of Mackie? When you said that Mackie is a very good person, when you is blushing of Mackie, you talk highly of Mackie. But this lady said she's praying that Jackie daughters find a husband just like Mackie. And you, Rumram, is going to say, what kind of bad prayer is that the lady praying for Jackie daughters? Now, let me see if I can break it down. If somebody is praying for Jackie daughters to find a husband like Mackie, as you all is backing Mackie and saying Alicia can treat Mackie bad, that would be a compliment, don't it? That's what I thought. I thought it would be a compliment for any woman to find a man just like Mackie, because according to you guys, Mackie is a very good, strong, hard-working man that will take care of his wife or his woman or his girlfriend. However, you, Rumram, said that is a bad prayer. She's praying for Jackie daughters to find a man like Mackie. Now, why would it be a bad prayer if you said Mackie is such an angel, Mackie is such a gorgeous person, Mackie is such a fabulous husband, Mackie is such a dynamic husband? Why would you use that word that is a bad prayer? Come on, come on. Explain it to me. Why would you say, Mackie, that the prayer is not a good prayer? And why would she want that kind of things for her? Listen. Listen.
You should have never put Auntie Jackie because Auntie Jackie just come out here and just be by herself and do what she have to do. You know what I mean? And when we hear that woman talking about Auntie Jackie and about she have prayer, that Auntie Jackie daughter them find a man like who give them to the man them treat. People, what kind of prayer them bad prayer them they are pray from people pitney. You ever hear Auntie Jackie come out here and mention for her daughter them?
So hold on. Jackie never come say nothing about fear daughter them, but Jackie come out, come chastise Alicia Kim, somebody else's daughter. But my question is to you. Why is that a bad prayer? Eh? Me could listen it again.
come out here and just behave herself and do what she have to do. You know what I mean? When me hear that woman talking about
Listen,
Auntie
listen,
Jackie, talk about she have prayed
listen.
that Auntie Jackie can't and them find a man like who with them to the man them see. People, what kind of prayer them, what prayer them they have?
Why is that a bad prayer? Now, my question to you, Rumram, is why is that a bad prayer? It- well, why is it a bad prayer if somebody is praying that one of Jackie daughter or the two of them find a husband like Mackie, aka Boo as you call him? Why is that a bad prayer? I believe that's a very good prayer. Yes, I believe it's a very good prayer, but you believe it's a bad prayer because you know, you, Rumram, know that Mackie is not a good man for Jackie's daughter. However, you believe that Mackie was a very good husband to Alicia Keys. What kind of stupidity? What kind of... Calm down, Rodney. Calm down. Calm down. What kind of... Make it make sense? What kind of idiocracy, idiocy, what kind of stupidity? Did you not realize what you were saying? Or you just a talk out of your mouth because you get a mouth to talk? Because there is no way that's a bad prayer. If you talking on the behalf of Mackie, that Mackie is a good person and Alicia can take advantage of Mackie, then you would want a person like Mackie to be with any other woman because that woman would be in a very good spot. But you know that's a very bad idea for Jackie daughters because what? You and Jackie and the whole of them are friends. But because Alicia Kim never answer your DMs, you are carry feelings for the woman. Look how much. Okay, stick up in. We have a lot of high profile death against women, domestic violence, and you haven't made one video. You haven't made one video. You haven't said anything about any of those killings. Because you're against women. You're not for women. You're not for ladies. You're against women. The only women that you are not against is the one that is in your surrounding. You are against women. You are a womanizer. You have a mother. You have sisters. You have a lot of sisters too. You have one mother. And according to you, you have your wife. But yet still, it's a bad prayer for this lady to be praying for Jackie daughters to be with a man who is just like Mackie. What kind of bad prayer is that? She's praying for Jackie daughter. But yet still, you are beating down Alicia Kim, saying Alicia Kim do what to Mackie, do what to him, do what. Don't you hear Alicia Kim talking about what I've done in the relationship to her? How I don't hear you talk? I hear you. I see one thing about the jet ski, but I don't watch your videos. I don't. If somebody didn't send me that clip, I wouldn't have it. Because I don't have any time to waste and stupidity. There is a lot of things going on out there, a lot. And you, you know, even your brother, I see making videos about the women that is losing their 3 pints. Even your brother, I see making videos, even over his TikTok, I see making videos. But guess what? You is stuck in one place because your life is made up of trying to take down a woman. But remember this, think before you talk, because you is all talk, nothing else. You do not want one of Jackie's daughters to pick up anybody who is just like Mackie, because that's a bad prayer somebody praying for Jackie's daughter. But it's all good when it come on to Alicia Kim, because Mackie was the greatest thing on earth. According to you, Mackie is the greatest thing on earth. Because as long as it's Mackie beating down Alicia Kim, everything is okay. But for anybody else, it is just like Krista, who give this man, knowingly give this man STD. And me say so, or him say so. And you are crown her queen of YouTube. And Alicia Kim take a divorce paper. I want to trying to tear her down off YouTube. But as long as it's anybody else, it's fair game. You give them crown. Give a woman crown to give a man STD. To cheat on a man. But you don't want a person to pray that Jackie daughters be with a man just like Mackie, because that's a bad prayer. But yet still you all want Alicia Kim to come out and apologize to Mackie, who is such a good man to you guys. But you don't want Jackie daughters to find a man who is just like Mackie. I wonder why. I wonder why that's a bad prayer. Why is that a bad prayer? To me, that's a good prayer. Because then she would know how it really feels to have a daughter living in a very dangerous relationship. My viewers and subscribers, I will see you in the next video. Make we listen to Rumram again before we go. Make we listen to him one more time before we go. One more time before we go. Make we listen to him one more time. One more time. Listen. No, but in talk about Alicia Kim.
You should have never touched Auntie Jackie. Because Auntie Jackie just come out here and just be herself and do what she have to do. You know what I mean? And when we hear that woman talking about Auntie Jackie and talk about she have prayer, that Auntie Jackie daughter them find a man like go to them to the man them cheat. People, what kind of prayer them, what prayer them they have pray from people beat me? You ever hear Auntie Jackie come out here come mention fear daughter them yet?
No, Auntie Jackie no come out come mention fear daughters, because fear daughters is the best daughters on earth. But yet still she come out here bash other people daughters. And now you saying the lady a pray a bad prayer and for Jackie daughter them because they're special and Alicia Kim is not. Wow. 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 My viewers and subscribers, me gone ya. Me can't understand my people yet. We will see you in our next video. Bye bye. Take